All right, y'all. So New York Fashion Week is officially over, but I couldn't let y'all go before I did an unboxing of everything behind me. And it is a lot. I think I'm going to start with, I don't know what I'm going to start with, but, ooh, child. Let's start with LaQuan Smith. So LaQuan Smith did a collaboration with Samsung, and this is the bag. So as you can see, now this bag came days, like a day after the show, and they sent me a ring sizing kit like 2 or 3 days before the show. And so I knew I was getting some kind of ring of sorts, but I didn't know what kind of ring. So this black bag came, and the bag itself is super duper cute. I love it. There's this plastic with my first and last name on it, James Sanders. Stick with me. Y'all been on TikTok. Y'all heard that challenge? Meet me at the casino. I only got $2. That's a broke nigga, y'all. I done been there, child. Oh, okay. We got some signage. Sleep is the ultimate luxury. Lucid dream. LaQuan Smith in Samsung Galaxy. Inspired by the innovative design and sleep insights offered by the all-new Galaxy Ring, LaQuan Smith and Samsung are excited to introduce the new Lucid Dream sleepwear ensembles as part of LaQuan's Spring-Summer 2025 collection. I saw that look on the runway. Enclosed is one of the full looks that debuted on the New York Fashion Week. I know y'all lying. Along with the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Oh, wait a minute, girl. Stop it. Okay, wait, let me show y'all. Here's this. Did they give me? They don't even have my size. If this doesn't fit, cause y'all know I'm on Monjaro. Oh, 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 these are beautiful. Now they say 0S. That must mean one size. Now, I don't know if they can fit me, because one size does not fit all. But y'all, these are gorgeous. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Oh my God. So it's a pair of pants. These are stunning. Oh, and the fabric is just, oh my God. Oh. Now look, check out this organza. Ooh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. Oh. Oh, bit. Oh. Y'all, I don't want to curse. My pants to follow me. Y'all, this is odd. Oh, I definitely could fit this. LaQuan. LaQuan. This is ordered. Y'all, this is bad. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Y'all. Oh my. You know what? This is so cute. I'm not even going to pawn this. I'm not even going. And it has the LaQuan Smith tag in the bit. Oh, this is. Y'all, this is ordered. Oh, this is. LaQuan. 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 LaQuan, 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 should my heart feel lonely and long. This is all that for heaven and home. This is, and there's more, y'all. Okay, they got a strap for the bag. This is beautiful. What is this? Face and body sculpting tool. Now, alright now, because I'm not a Kardashian, honey. I don't know if I want my face to be all sculpted out. I done been blessed with melanin. So how do you be doing it? Like, I'm going to have to go on YouTube to learn how to do that. Because normally, like, I'm thinking you pop somebody with, like, who you said, what? Don't talk about my mom. Clink in your face. Like, what? Oh, you don't. Because what would you say about, oh, period. Like, don't talk about JT. Ink City Cinderella, nigga. This is all that. Y'all. Oh, this must be the ring for the little thing that I'm going to put on my ink. Hold on, y'all. Let me open it up. Oh, this is the Galaxy ring. King. Hold on, y'all. This is cute. This is so, this is so cute. Y'all probably going to think I'm so ratchet after this. Hold on. I'm going to put this in my little Marshall's bag. Y'all know I went to the store earlier today. This is so cute. Oh, it came in a little glass box. It all started with the one night. Y'all, look, it's glowing. It's glowing, y'all. Oh, it all started with the one night stand. It wasn't part of the plan. Y'all, this is cute. Don't play with me. So is they giving you a mask and like, I don't know if I want my eyes to be covered when I sleep because I don't want nobody to roll up on me. Ever since I started losing weight, people been thinking like, oh, good, he got weight loss on deck. We could roll up on him now. I don't want y'all to start thinking like, ain't nothing changed. Like, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Don't. What is this? A pillowcase? Oh, anti-bed head. You know what? Is it black? A black pillowcase. You know what? I think I like this. I would have preferred for it to have been white. I don't know if I want to lay my head in darkness. But this is cute. I might could rock with a black pillowcase. It's just careful. You know, y'all got to be careful about laying your head in darkness. Like, I don't know if I want to lay my head in darkness. And then it's satin. I don't want to slip and slide in my slumber. Okay? How many of y'all know about slipping and sliding in your slumber? Amen? You got to be careful where you rest your head at. I don't care if they want an ounce, tell them bounce. Number 3. This is a whole cell phone. Y'all done gave me a whole cell phone. And look, y'all, look. This is crazy. Oh, see, every time you come around. And a SIM card? How's this working? Like, y'all done gave me some service? Like, can I activate this phone? Y'all done bought me a plan? This is crazy. An activation kit for a phone. I think you need to call Tyrone and tell him I said, come on. Hello? You got my money? Clink. Boom. LaQuan, you outdid yourself. Samson, y'all outdid yourself. This is ordered. Child, I gotta be careful about this even, because I don't want nobody to come rob me. Like, y'all know how y'all niggas do. Like, I know a dude named Jimmy used to run up in nighttime, pissy drunk off that Henny and Remy. from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna be prank calling people, crank calling people on this phone. Like, I can't even, like, y'all did that. Y'all did that. Y'all did that. Like, it's such a cute thing. And honestly, the show was amazing. Thank you for my seating at the show, to be in the same building as Mary J. Blige, who, you know, so many people know I love and adore. Busta Rhymes, you know, so many great people. And of course, the brilliant LaQuan Smith was a dream come true. So I have to thank you for that. The collection was stunning. To LaQuan Smith and the amazing team at Samsung, I thank you. Love, James R. Sanders. No bars.